house, so you ain't got this shit right. This that pretty purple pound.
Hey y'all, we back for another weekend vlog. My name is Khadeshia, and here you will find all things about my life. So welcome back, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into your girl. It is Friday, February 6th, 2026. That was kind of like a little tongue twister, but it is currently 11:37. I have roughly about 10 minutes before I need to clock in. Currently, I am eating me some breakfast. I got me some green tea with honey, and then I have me some Greek vanilla yogurt because that is the only kind of yogurt I like. And then I got me some fresh blueberries and some honey drizzle on top. Now, if you don't put honey on your yogurt and fruit, you are missing out. I'm not gonna lie. This week I just started doing that, and I'm mad that I just started doing that. Why ain't nobody tell me that it is so good? It kind of tastes like caramel to me. Like, I don't know. It does. But I just wanted to get on here and start the vlog for y'all because I know I don't always start on a Friday, but I'm going to start on a Friday this time. I'm not sure what y'all are going to see today, but I definitely want to make sure I come on and say hey. So hey y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Long as you got your eyes, got to trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this, return it back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene.
What's up, y'all? It is Saturday. So, you know what we're doing today? We're only doing a little shopping this weekend. I know my husband needs to get him some new work boots. I want me some pajamas, specifically some Valentine themed pajamas, and I also want me some leopard pajamas. So I'm gonna get those. Also, I need to get whatever I'm gonna make for our Valentine's Day dinner. But I'm starting to think that we're probably going to celebrate the weekend after Valentine's Day, because the weekend of Valentine's Day, we're going on a tripping time. So just know that weekend vlog is gonna be lit. It may be a little long, so make sure y'all stay down with your girl and watch the whole thing. But I'm definitely gonna try to make sure I pull my camera out so that y'all can see what your girl do when she be going on vacation and stuff. But speaking of vacation, I got this hat for our trip. I don't know how I feel about it. It probably would look better if my hair looked different underneath here. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay, so like I said, I got this hat. It's supposed to be like a bucket hat, I think. But when I seen it, I don't know, I thought it was more so like a beanie. And that's the look I was going for because I'm going to have my curly wig. But I don't know, it's still going to be tea. It's still very much cute. Also, I got some earmuffs. I'm sorry, it literally blends in. But when I saw that, I was like, Khadeshia, why did you get the same color? Me, late night shopping, just buying stuff. But as you can tell, it's gonna be somewhere cold. So your girl do not like to be cold, so I had to make sure I get stuff to make sure I'm not cold because I don't like to be cold. But I got the earmuffs, the hat, And we are going to be there on Valentine's Day. So, of course, you got to wear red or pink on Valentine's Day. Because if you're not, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Like, just come on. Just get with the program. You not bigger than the program, sis. Wear the pink or the red. Anyway, I got this long pink cardigan. And y'all already know the freaking camera with it. It literally just said 30% and then shut off. Usually I have a few more minutes after it says 30%, but baby, it just shut off. I can't wait to get me a new camera. Make sure y'all are liking and subscribing because your girl needs a new camera. But as I was saying, I got this long pink cardigan to wear on Valentine's Day. And the only problem with it being this pink is it does not match the jacket that I got for my husband. Let me show y'all. So this is his jacket. This is his pink. And this is mine. I mean, now that I have it together, it's honestly not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I honestly might end up wearing this hat with it. Because I know I want to wear my brown Uggs. I'm either going to wear my brown Uggs or my leopard print Uggs. I also have this cute white shirt that I'm going to wear with this sweater. So it'll basically be like this. White sweater. And then jeans, of course. You got to wear the jeans. So I am debating on changing my shoes. I slick wanted to wear a boot for Valentine's Day, but that was before I knew that we was gonna be gone. So there's that. But yeah, just know the next vlog finna be lit. 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 Look at these cute Valentine's Day earrings I got. From the Walmart. Yeah, I think that was $5 too. That's actually where I always get my holiday jewelry. It's Walmart. They always have a little section. Make sure you get there early because I think I was there the end of January and they didn't have nothing. So I'm glad when I saw these that I actually grabbed them because they are so cute. And also in honor of V-Day, you know, you gotta have the rose heart shades. I'm tripping because I'm really supposed to be getting dressed so that I am up and ready by the time my husband get home, but I got on my clothes. I got on my clothes at the bare minimum. I need to do something to my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna chit chat with y'all for a little bit. But yeah. All right, y'all. We didn't go to the store. We went to Wally World, so I'm gonna show y'all what we got. We had to get some boots for my husband to go to work in because he's a working man. We need to make sure he is comfortable at work so he can continue making that corn. Also, I want to start me a prayer board, so I got me a triboard, some markers, index cards, and I already have envelopes that I'm going to use. I'll show y'all a video of me making my own prayer board so y'all can make y'all own the prayer board with Chris. Now I'm not gonna lie, like this is my idea. I saw it on dang, what's the lady name? I can't think of her name. Oh my god, and I watch her so much. I saw another influencer with her prayer board, and I was like, I want one too. You know? But next we got the jammies. Your girl loves some pajamas. And these are liquid print, which is my favorite. Y'all know. Clearly. I ain't got no liquid print today, but I will tomorrow and tonight because I'm putting this on tonight. Also, we got socks for my hoodie. I got me these cute little Valentine Day shorts with them. I really wanted everyone that they had, but I had to just go with these. It had some with chocolate, Valentine Day chocolates on them. So cute. And there was pink shorts with pink hearts. Now this is just a love. But it's cute. It's cute. I really, 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 really like the silhouette up on there. That is just too cute. I had to get my husband a white shirt for his outfit that we wearing next week, or he wearing next week, because we ain't wearing the same outfit. That's crazy. Jeans. These are actually very cute. And then you can't go wrong with the flannels. I actually think I got a flannel like this. But this is for my husband. We're gonna wear that probably next week too. I also got some grocery stuff. Do y'all want to see that? Because it's really nothing. Some cheese, Velveeta, butter, steak marinade. Now I did get this buttery steakhouse by Kinder only because it was $1.99 and I really want to try it. The regular size seasoning be like $5. And your girl can't pay no $5 for no seasonings. And then I also got the buttery burger blend. Can you tell we like butter? Can you tell? And I wanted the regular ranch pack, but baby, they ain't have none, so I had to get the ranch tacos. We're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see. Then we got the seasonal steak sauce. Yes, Great Value brand steak sauce. No problem. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm not showing y'all the stuff. I'm showing the main one. Also, heavy whipping cream. This is a staple in my house. I use heavy whipping cream in everything. I probably need to stop, but I'm not. Because it's not going to be creamy. We got the sharp cheddar. This is a must if you make mac and cheese. Make sure you got some sharp cheddar in there. If you can get extra sharp cheddar, that's even better. I also had to get some noodles, but that's all the way over there on the other side. I'm not grabbing it. And then we got the fruit punch Minute Maid. Go and get it right now. I don't know if my husband got him a sweet tea or not, but usually that's what we get when we go there too. I think that's the only thing that we actually got. So I'm about to get started on dinner, and I'll show y'all that.
Got time. away. 'Cause our house is not a home with no one there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you wasting my time.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. This time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways, got ways too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me. So, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down.
Come on. VIP.
Now bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Now bust a booty up, bust a booty up, bust a booty up. You fake. Come on. Give me when you get your. Give me when you get. Give me when you get your. Give me when you give me when you give me when you get your.
Rock out your.
Come on.
VIP.
Now bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Now bust a booty up, bust a booty up, bust a booty up. Give me when you get your, give me when you get, give me when you get your, give me when you give me when you give me when you get your.